Well, hey, this is Chase, and in today's video, I'm going to take you inside of Premium over to the Premium tools, and we're going to create a really awesome thumbnail for our YouTube video using the image generator, the Van Gogh AI Image Studio. It's awesome. Now, the key of this whole thing is really this prompt assistant, because I kind of know what I want, but you got to put it into words so the AI knows how to make this, right? And how to make the image. Well, this is what this does. And this is where you spend a fair amount of time here getting help describing your image. So I'm gonna go over and click down, it brings this box, and then what I'm gonna do is pause the video and think about what I want to ask this AI. Okay, so I've just typed in some thoughts, and I'm going to go ahead and submit that, and I'll read it to you. So I need a YouTube tutorial or thumbnail for the video. What is FLA? FLA stands for Financial Literacy Academy, and the FLA is a gem of a product in the Home Business Academy. From Financial Literacy 101 to Debt Elimination 101 and Bank Beater Pro, FLA is the key, to saving precious money in business, taxes, and debt. Help me design a great thumbnail for my video. So it says, great idea. Let's craft a killer YouTube thumbnail. So YouTube thumbnails need to be bold, instantly readable, and emotionally compelling. Viewers decide if in a split second whether to click. Here's what I'm thinking. Okay, so they have bold vision. What is FLA? That's nice. I like that. Impossible to miss. I like that. Visual metaphor of financial empowerment. A golden key is nice. I like that idea. FLA is the key. I like that. Rich premium color palette. Deep navy dark backgrounds with gold and green accents. I like that. Supporting text. Financial Literacy Academy in sleek, smaller font. High contrast and vibrant energy. Now, all this stuff I didn't think about. I'm just asking for help, and the AI prompt assistant does it. Okay, and so I really like all these. Here is the organized or optimized prompt. Okay, and so why it works, the golden key metaphor, blah blah blah. That's great. You can see all this. It's really good. Clean composition avoids clutter, which is critical for thumbnails. Okay, now want me to adjust anything? I can add a personal avatar. Faces increase click-through rates. I think I'm not sure on that. So change its color scheme. Just say the word. So here's what the prompt has said so far. Now I'm going to throw in an idea, and what you can do sometimes, because you're actually going to use credits. I'm going to come down here, and I have 5 out of 5 credits today. I get 5 every day, so do you. So I haven't used any credits, but sometimes it's nice to be frugal and not just waste them. And so what a lot of times I will do is I will take the suggested prompt and copy it, just like I'm copying here in the purple text. Copy it, and then I'll open up a new tab. I'm going to go to ChatGPT. Okay. Now I have a paid account, but you can do this with free. Okay. So basically you can click here. They've added this thing so it knows it's creating an image. So just click that, and it's going to create an image, and we'll paste in that prompt. And again, this is that same one. Whether you're a free member here or a paid member, you can get a sense of the look of the image just by testing it in ChatGPT. Now this is the time that it's going to take to create the image. It has this little weird animation going along. These dots are kind of moving around, whatever. So you can do other things or just wait. It takes 30 to 60 seconds, so I'll just pause the video for now. Okay, so here we have this beautiful image, and boy howdy do I like this a lot. I mean, goodness gracious. Look at that, the key even says FLA. I even like this one right off of ChatGPT. But what I can do is actually, what I'm going to do is there's a button to download this, okay? And it's on download to my hard drive. Let me zoom out a little bit. Actually, here's a button, so I'll just click on download. And then I'm going to actually just open that into my folder and find it. Okay, that's really awesome. It looks really nice. So what I can do is use this as a template inside of the HBA image creator. Okay, so what I'll do is I like this prompt, and what I'm going to say, okay, so I'm back and I'm going to upload this and match the image using here. So let me go to downloads. Okay, there's the image. And so what I'm going to do, I have this great prompt, but I want it to model the look of the image exactly to this reference image, and I'm uploading the reference image just with this button here. I'll send that to the AI prompt assistant, so it's going to read this image and understand it, and I'm telling it to model the look of this image exactly. So then it'll change the prompt exactly. So I spent a little bit of time here, and I used ChatGPT to get an idea of the image, which is awesome. And I just copied the prompt from HBA, and now it's working on it. Okay, so now it's saying this is awesome. Okay, it matched everything. It's got all, it's just gone through and told me what it likes. Okay, and these are all the other things that it did. So this is a stunning thumbnail, yes. So it's analyzing every detail. So this procedure of starting with the AI prompt assistant and then going to ChatGPT, copying or pasting in that prompt and getting an idea and like, oh my goodness, I really like that. This can help you speed up the process of seeing what you like. So now everything is really nicely done. And if it wants me to, if I need to tweak it, I can. But this is awesome. And it's going to do it in the 16:9 aspect ratio and all that stuff. It'll be 4K resolution. You can read through all here. It's going to have Financial Literacy Academy, FLA engraved on the key shaft. How cool is that? And just wonderful stuff. So now, what you're going to do, you're going to see it. It's going to do a 3D render. So when I come down here, let's just click on Apply to the generator. And by the way, this is an awesome prompt. I would have never gotten there had I not had the AI prompt assistant and ChatGPT. So I'm going to apply to the generator. It puts all this down here, and I'd look at it right here and just look at 3D render. I'm going to come down here and make sure it says 3D render, which it does. And I'm not new to square. I'm going to do a landscape, so it's horizontal. I haven't used any credits. I'm only about to use one, so everything is set up. I'm not using any of my faces in the image, so I don't have to click on any of these. Okay, so that would remove it. So clear all. And so now I'm ready to go. I'm going to generate an image. By the way, these down here are other samples that you can click on, get the prompt, and go from there, but I don't need that. So click Generate Image, and it's going to delete one once it once it finishes. Right now it's creating my image, so let me pause it for now. Okay, so in just a few seconds, this is slightly different than the version here. You could use either one, but it's awesome. I really love the font and all that. Make it bigger there. That's really sweet. It's incredible what it's done. This looks so fabulous. I can't even tell you how. I had no idea what to do, and this is just awesome. And so when we look at it here, we can download it. I'll show you the higher res version. Okay, so boy, what a lot of great detail. That is fabulous. Either one or both are great. They are fabulous, and I kind of like both versions. I'm going to go with the HBA just because it's nice to use HBA in the image generator inside of HBA. So that is awesome. So with that, it'll also remember, by the way, all your image history. So as I do certain ones, if I want to bring them back, I can do that and just get the same prompt. Like here's one I did on Memorial Day. and it's a wonderful image that I needed for Memorial Day on Facebook. I posted this created this image, which is fabulous, and this is just all AI. So I use this a lot. A lot of times I do go to ChatGPT just to, see the version of ChatGPT, what it shows, and a lot of times it's quite good. So, and it's a nice preview. So now I have it saved in the image history. If I ever never need to come back and modify it, maybe this diagram is really useful for other things, and I could just change the title, so it's easy to change the prompt. So hope you enjoyed this video. I sure enjoyed making this thumbnail. It's really cool. It's really incredible, and you're getting to use AI in a really cool way, and you're making 80% commissions as you teach others and interest them. Just the AI alone is worth it. And so my encouragement is talk to people about AI is here. You need to have a great way to use AI and a lot of help, and that's what the AI system does inside of HBA. So with that, I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.